Guys, please check your audio and video settings, please, everyone. Yeah, Spring Core. Yes, boss. Yesterday we talked about class property. We have seen last improvisation as part of our application development, right? Okay, today I'm going to talk about STS plugin. Today I'm going to talk about what, guys? STS plugin. FS63 STS plugin. Date is 22nd, 2020. Okay, guys. So let us try to understand what is plugin first. What is a plugin? What is a plugin? Yeah, tell me what is the answer, guys? A plugin is a software application or program. Are you understanding my statement, guys? A plugin is a software. A plugin is an additional software application or program that can add what is that? Extra functionalities to the existing software or software application. Software or software application that can add extra functionalities to existing software or software application. Are you comfortable, guys? It's a plugin, Rabab. Okay. Right. Example, real life example, you try to understand. Amazon Fire Stick. Amazon Fire Stick. Okay, it's kind of plugin, Rabab. Makes the normal TV as the smart TV. Normal TV as the smart TV. Is that clear, guys? It makes normal TV as the smart TV. It simply makes normal TV as the smart TV. Okay. Amazon Fire Stick, which is nothing but plugin, makes the normal TV as the smart TV. So we can browse internet, we can watch OTT movies in normal TV after connecting what? Amazon Fire Stick with that normal TV. Got it, guys? Yeah. Now listen. Plugins added to the Eclipse IDE. Okay. For adding additional functionalities. For simply adding additional functionalities. For literally solidly adding what functionalities, guys? Additional functionalities. Okay. What are the examples for this, guys? STS plugin. Okay, guys. GUI builder plugin. GUI builder plugin. Plugin and etc. Now tell me, guys, what's the use of this STS plugin? What's the use of this STS plugin? To add STS IDE, STS IDE features to STS IDE features to whom, guys? To add STS IDE features to Eclipse IDE. Yeah, Spring Tools, Bob. Next, GUI Builder plugin. Develop GUI applications. To develop GUI application using drag and drop environment. Drag and drop environment. Are you understanding my statement, guys? We have a plugins, Babu. You may ask me one question. Sir, they can give all these things in basic Eclipse itself, na? If they give all the facilities in basic Eclipse IDE, Eclipse IDE becomes heavyweight. And is there any guarantee you will use all the features every time? Is there any guarantee they will use all the features every time, boss? No. Unnecessarily, launching time will be increased, processing time will be increased, and it becomes burden to CPU and memory. That's why regularly used features they are including in basic Eclipse. You want any extra features, you want any additional features, you have to install as a plugin. Spring Tool Suite. Spring Tool Suite. STS is actually an IDE given for Spring Boot applications. Okay, it is based on Eclipse IDE. Okay. It is based on Eclipse IDE. Next. Instead of using STS IDE separately, it is recommended to add STS plugin to Eclipse IDE to use STS IDE, STS features in Eclipse itself. Are already industry habituated with Eclipse. Instead of moving to new IDE, boss, it's better to bring new IDE features in existing Eclipse IDE. New IDE features in existing Eclipse IDE or not? Right, guys? Got the point or not? Okay, boss. Now listen. STS IDE feature, STS plugin features. Number one. Okay. Especially Spring Boss gives templates to import XML schema namespaces. Schema namespaces. Okay. By just checking, by just selecting checkboxes. By just selecting the checkboxes. By just selecting the checkboxes. Everyone understanding my statement, guys? Super. Gives templates to import XML schema namespaces by just selecting the checkboxes. What is the most difficult work in our earlier application development? Copy pasting XML namespaces. Copy pasting XML namespaces, importing XML namespaces, libraries from the internet or not. That job is very much simplified. That job is very much simplified. Okay, guys. Next. Provides environment. Okay. To simplify the Spring Boot applications development. Provides the environment to simplify the Spring Boot applications development. Got it, guys? Okay. Right, guys. Provides environment to simplify the Spring Boot applications development. STS plugin features gives templates. Next. Gives the naming suggestions. Naming suggestions. Gives the naming suggestions. Understanding my statement. Gives the naming suggestions while developing Spring Bean configuration file. But guys, while developing Spring Bean configuration file. Okay. Makes the Spring Boot applications development easy. Makes the Spring Boot applications development easy. Okay. And etc. And etc. Are you with me, guys? Right. So, a lot of advantages are there. Okay. Yeah. The industry standard IDs are IDs for Spring Boot applications development. Number one, Eclipse JWE boss. Eclipse JWE. Understanding my statement? Eclipse JWE plus STS plugin. It's a good combination. Only Eclipse JWE is not great. Okay, you know that Eclipse is having two flavors. One is SDK, one is JWE. Eclipse JWE plus STS plugin. Got it, guys? Next one. STS ID. Next one. IntelliJ ID. IntelliJ ID. But the best is this. Still 90% of software companies prefers this IDE. This combination only. This combination only. Got it? Okay, guys. Eclipse JWE comes with limited Limited built-in features. Limited built-in features. Understanding my statement, guys. Maintain itself as lightweight software.
Recording in
So,
progress.
any additional features? Any additional features in Eclipse ID? We need to. So, for any additional features in Eclipse ID, we need to install plugins. We need to install plugins. Understanding my statement? Super. Yes. Now listen. Two types of Eclipse plugins. Two types of Eclipse plugins. Two types of Eclipse plugins. Number one, Eclipse supplied plugins. Eclipse supplied plugins. That's plugins supplied by Eclipse, but we should install separately. Okay, Eclipse supplied plugins. Example: GUI Builder, SWT Builder. All these are SWT Builder and etc. Okay. Next one, to install them, use what option I will tell. To install them, use help menu arrow, install new software option. B. Okay. Tell me, third-party plugins supplied for Eclipse. Understanding my statement? Example, STS plugin. Use to install them. Tell me, help menu. To install them, use help menu, Eclipse Marketplace option. What, guys? Eclipse Marketplace option. Are you understanding my statement? Okay. Procedure to install the STS plugin in Eclipse ID. Procedure to install STS plugin in Eclipse ID. Cool, guys. Now listen carefully. I think FS. I think this is not our Eclipse robot. We are using latest Eclipse ID. Yes, boss. Okay, guys. Sneha madam, industry standard is Eclipse plus STS plugin. Please move to this combination. No, sir, I am comfortable with STS. Go ahead. I'm comfortable means you go ahead. I don't have any issue. In one computer, you can have any number of Eclipse belonging to different versions. Belonging to same version also, I don't have any problem. Multiple installations of Eclipse can be there in one computer. Got it, guys? Now listen. Help menu, Eclipse Marketplace. We need to have internet connection. We need to have internet connection, boss. Done. Okay, guys. Now listen. Search for STS. STS Go. Search for STS Go. Okay, guys. Listen. Spring Tools 3, 3.9.14 release. Spring Tools 3, 3.9.22 release. Understanding my point? Always choose 3.9 version. Don't choose 4 version. Because 4 version is having some issues, Babu. Always prefer this. Either one of these two things, anything is okay. Anything is okay. Just click on install. It gives all the options, guys. I want everything to be installed. Say next. Say next. Now it is collecting the dependencies. It is collecting the dependencies. Don't worry. Sir, I'll install all the 3 versions of that. Better not to install. IDE may not work properly. IDE may not work properly. It takes time, guys. Can you take time? Yeah, we can update. We can do all these editions without disturbing existing projects. Accept terms and conditions, boss. Finish. Now real installation starts. STS Go select what is IoT, Internet of Things. I think in the introduction classes we studied all these things. Nagendra P, you have not watched backup videos. Feel shame for that. Eclipse Marketplace, search for STS. Then go. Then what is there? Select 3.9.22 version. 3.2 version. Install. Select all. Okay. Next. Next, finish. finish. Restart. 1 minute. Next, accept terms and conditions. Conditions. Come on. Accept terms and conditions. Next, finish. Next is what, guys? Finish. Terms and conditions. Okay, guys. Dot. Okay. Installation is going on. Restart Eclipse ID. Until Eclipse ID is restarted, we cannot say it is installed. So 43%. Okay. Yeah, it's giving some warning, guys. Always trust content. I accept the risk. Super. Trust selected. Fine. Okay. Yesterday's notes not updated. Really? Today I'll update together. Yeah, see guys, now done. Now done. Restart now. Restart now. Restart now. Yesterday notes updated, Sim. I think I updated it. I updated in front of you only. I updated. Watch properly, yeah. Yes. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Rajesh, today at 7:30 p.m. we have those classes. I think you know that. Spring Boot and microservices. Spring Part already you are learning, but Spring Boot and microservices extra. Their main concentration on what? Spring Boot and microservices there. Yes, guys. 7:30 p.m. Today 7:30 p.m. introduction. Who needs that course and all this stuff? Yeah, I think yesterday I shared these meeting IDs with you, right? Once again, I am sharing the same meeting IDs with you. Shift enter to get the new line. Done. Restart the ID. Now we are ready with ID, boss. Okay. Now listen. I'm deleting Spring Bean configuration file in front of you. I'm deleting this one in front of you, right, boss? Yeah. I think I already announced this statement, boss. Since in your NASCAM syllabus, Spring Boot and microservice is not there. Not there. Okay, by just paying 3,000 rupees, you can get Spring Boot and microservice in the 7:30 p.m. batch. Is that clear? Yes, this course is end-to-end Spring course. 7:30 p.m. course is end-to-end Spring course. Everything of Spring, Spring Boot, microservice, web service, everything will be covered there. In your NASCAM syllabus, just Spring content is there. Just Spring content is there. People can join from laptops also, as possible. Okay. For full stack student, just 3,000. For outsiders, it is 8,000. And I may not give this figure I may not give this figure in the demo session. So if I say 8,000 also for outsiders, for you it is 3,000 only. Naresh IT full stack student, Java for full stack students. The course fee for Spring Boot and microservices just 3,000. Understanding my statement? To learn Spring Boot, Spring knowledge is required. Okay, now listen. I'm going to prepare Spring Bean configuration file. Check it out. Now STS plugin is installed or not installed. Leave symbol has come. This symbol has come. These two symbols have come means plugin is installed successfully. Okay. Plugin is installed, this one. Yeah. Now have a look, guys. Have a look. Right click, new. New. Here new options will come, Babu. Here new options will come. You type Spring here. Spring Bean configuration file, right, boss? Spring Bean configuration file. Okay. Right, boss. Here is my CFZs. Here is what? Application context dot XML. Okay, guys. Application context dot XML. Understanding my statement? Super. Say next. Say next. See, guys, other day we struggled a lot. Okay. Other day we struggled a lot to import XML libraries, right? To import XML library. Super. Context. Yeah, it's a version, latest version 4.3. Context, latest version 4.3. Getting my point? See this, guys. See this. Life becomes easy. Finish. Tell me, is there any burden of other day? Especially the people who are struggling to create Spring Bean configuration file. Urgently install STS plugin, Ra Babu. You just need to know namespace names. You need not to remember anything else. You need not to remember anything else. Life is easy or not? Okay. Awesome or not? At least you understood the importance of STS plugin. You realized the importance of STS plugin, guys. Configure Spring Bean dependent Spring Bean class. Yes, boss. Bean ID. Okay. Bean ID. This one. What is there? CL. Class is equal to calendar. See the beauty, boss. You just type cal control space. Help is coming now, boss. You need not remember entire package name also. You just type cal control space. Calendar. Okay. I think something gone wrong. Okay. Once again, try it. Once again, try it. Class is equal to, yeah, calendar, calendar. Got it? Factory method. See, help also coming. Other day we didn't get this kind of help, Ra Babu. It's because of STS plugin. It's purely because of STS plugin. Tell me, guys, get instance is the method. Again, help. Other day we didn't get this kind of help. Everything is blind guess. But now, no onwards, no need of any blind guesses. Everything is possible, right, boss? Life is very much simplified here. Next, perform component scanning. Perform component scanning, right? Context colon component scan. Base package is equal to com.nt.sbeans. Yes, boss. Easy? Okay, I am running the remaining things as it is. Remaining part of the application is as it is. Run on server. Sorry, it's not server, Java application. Standalone, my boss. It is standalone. Run as Java application. Output is coming here or not? Output is coming here or not? Come on. Okay, guys. Now listen. Earlier, we cannot create Spring Bean configuration file by using the options, Babu, because those options won't be there. Those options won't be there. Okay. Right, guys. Observe these symbols. What is this, guys? Observe these symbols. These symbols to confirm whether, okay, to confirm whether, okay, STS plugin is installed or not. Plugin is installed or not. Installed or not. At right time we use debugging. Na? First concentrate on these symbols, muddy fellows. Okay. Right. Mr. Noor Muhammad, if you start going like this, you never study subject in a proper order. Here debugger is seen, let's start learning debugger. Somewhere X seen, let's start learning X. Somewhere Y seen, let's start learning Y. That is not the way to study, Babu. Debugging is a separate tool. I will give video or I conduct one Sunday class on debugging, right? Okay, please. There is order of learning every topic. Okay. If you start learning like this, there is no difference between human being and dog. Human being and dog. You know what is the specialty of the dog, right? Dog and other animals. Human being will have a discipline in learning or what? Living life. Dogs and other animals, no discipline at all, right? Super, guys. Now tell me. Procedure to create Spring Bean configuration file for Spring project. After adding STS plugin to it. After adding STS plugin to Eclipse IDE. After adding STS plugin to Eclipse IDE. Super, guys. Tell me here. Right click on the package, new other. Right click on the package, new other. Okay. New arrow. Where is this? Other arrow. Right click on the package, new arrow. New arrow, other arrow. Tell me, next one. New arrow, other arrow. Tell me what is that? Spring arrow, Spring Bean configuration file. Spring Bean configuration file. Name of the file, application context.xml. Which package? com.nt.css. Application context.xml. Select workspaces. Namespaces. XML schema namespaces. XML schema namespaces. Select XML schema namespaces. What we have to select, boss? Beans, comma, context. Beans, comma, context. Select XML schema namespaces, beans, comma, context. Right. Yeah. Develop the source code in Spring Bean configuration file. Right, guys. I think you enjoyed. So I know so far this is the difficult task. Adding XML file as a Spring Bean configuration file to the Spring project. That has been simplified or not? Array for XML file, recommended extension is .xml. If you don't like, take any other name. Take any other name. Understanding? Okay. Super, guys. Now listen. I'll try to give some screenshots, guys. Other. Okay. This is one section we have to take. This is one section. Okay. In the project, this. Next, abc.xml. Any name you can take, my dear. Here's namespaces. You have to take the namespaces. Okay, this is namespace section. So these two are the things. Right. I think होशियार को इशारा काफी है. समझदार को इशारा काफी है. Should I say yaro kind of thing? Yeah, at least now you realize why I'm not conducting classes by taking notepad, why I'm conducting classes by using paintbrush, so that I can give text content and diagrams together, right? Okay, right. Sarvesh Pandey, 2 minutes before only I have cleared that doubt. At that time, where is your brain, my dear? Recommended extension is XML. You can take any other extension. Yes or no, na? 2 minutes, I think 1 minute before only I cleared this doubt. Understanding my statement? Super. Okay, now listen, sir. Sir, plugin is installed. How to uninstall it or how to know whether it is installed or not? Preferences. Not preferences, sorry. Help menu, Eclipse Marketplace. Help menu, Eclipse Marketplace. Help menu, Eclipse Marketplace. Done. Here is my 1 minute. No, not 1 minute. Installed tab is there, na? Installed tab. By default, something is already installed, Babu. Check it out. 3.9 Spring Tools 3 add-on. 3.9.22 is already installed or not? Come on. Installed or not? If you want to uninstall, uninstall. If you want to uninstall, uninstall. Got it? Actually, 3.9.15 is already installed, but somehow it is not working properly. That's why I have installed this. And we have an option of uninstallation. We have option of uninstallation. Come on. Like this, we can see list of additionally installed plugins. Okay, recently added plugins to Eclipse IDE. Recently given plugins, Babu. Recently given plugins, right? Search. You can search for any plugin here. Are you understanding my statement? Super. Okay, this is done. To see or uninstall the installed plugin of Eclipse IDE. The installed plugin of Eclipse IDE. The installed plugin of Eclipse IDE. Yeah, what is this? Marketplace installed. There we have got what? Change uninstall. Change uninstall. Okay, guys. I hope my notes is helping you to practice in a better way. Okay. Right, guys. Help menu, Eclipse, Marketplace. Yeah, someone asking how to check whether installed plugin working properly or not. Are maddi fellow. After installation of plugin, I am doing one operation. If that operation completed smoothly, working super. Not completed smoothly, some problems are there. Common sense, Rabbi. Common sense is most important, right? Installed tab. Installed tab. Installed. See the list of installed plugins. Okay. Plugins. Right, boss? Right. Then go to any plugin, change arrow, uninstall. To uninstall the plugin. Yeah. To uninstall the plugin. Enjoyed my statement, guys? Got the clarity? Super. Right. So this is about STS plugin. By tomorrow, I want to see everyone ready with the STS plugin. Got it? Yeah, tomorrow onwards, second application background preparation will take place. Background preparation related to second application takes place. But that application I am going to teach by using Maven tool. Maven tool. Today you keep STS plugin ready. We learn Maven tool dynamically and we use it. We learn Maven tool dynamically and we use it. Okay. Aditi Tripathi, parsing exception. That means you have done typing mistakes in XML file. Typing mistakes in XML file. And one more thing. File not found exception. src/com/cfg/. Aditi Tripathi, I think in my classroom I have taken src/com/nt/cfgs. Am I right? Typing mistakes, my dear. What is the location of Spring Bean configuration file in our classroom? com/nt/cfgs, right? Okay. Array size is 16. Mr. OnePlus, first start attending class from with the bigger screen mobile or at least from the laptop. At least from the laptop, right? Okay. Saurav Kumar, you have done mistakes in your coding. I think it's not a problem in application, right? Okay. Yeah, Rajesh Bihra, that's what I said. Instead of using STS IDE separately, I have added STS plugin to Eclipse IDE. I have taken the same benefits. Saurabh Kumar, problem with your ID installation. Some problems are there in Eclipse installation. So uninstall and reinstall. Are you getting that error while running the application or while launching Eclipse ID? Check that once. I think I have shared the meeting IDs. Today, 7:30 p.m. onwards. Spring Basic, Spring Boot, and microservices. Right, boss. Right. Thank you, guys. Have a nice time.